All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin and staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. The 6-in-1 miners we've been going over, cryptocurrency projects, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to talk about a coin that's trending, Ape Coin. Ding, 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 ding. Discount buy right this second. A big drop today. So I'm going to go over to their website, go to their Twitter, cover the Ape Coin, what's going on with it. Also, a gentleman was able to buy the first hamburger with Ape Coin the other day. We're going to check that out. Kind of cool things. At the end, we're going to talk about the project that's taken over the #1 spot. Piston Token taking over Drip's spot as the #1. Drip move over to #2. Piston Token is here today to stay, and they actually hit their deadlines. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and you know it, one day own some cryptocurrency and being involved in a cryptocurrency project. All right, everybody, it's Sunday, fantastic day. Let's head over to the coin that's trending right now, Ape Coin. All right, right here on Coinmarketcap, the #1 trending coin on the whole entire everything, Ape Coin. Ding, 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 down 24% right now. All right, here we go. There's a lot of red, red, red around this thing. Ape Coin is down 24% today. Ding, ding, ding. This looks like a good discount buy. It's literally at number 29, which is really high in the top 100. I mean, there's coins I talk about that are literally in the 3,000s, and Ape Coin is already number 29. It's down 5% for the week, but 24% for today. Holy cow. Going over here to the actual Twitter account, it says Ape Coin is the ERC20 governance and utility token used to empower a decentralized community building at a forefront of Web3. All right, a couple things here. You know, voting with the Ape DAO is officially open. Go to, and it's got the link right here. Here's something about 19 hours ago. OpenSeas. This is the big announcement. Big announcement, everybody. OpenSeas has now got Ape Coin on it. Other deeds and other sites are here. Buy them today with Ape or ETH, OpenSeas collection. Here it is. Let's blow this up. Leading the NFT marketplace, OpenSeas now accepts Ape Coin. Holy cow, everybody. You can get your Ape Coin on OpenSeas. With it being down 24% and being the #1 trending coin right this second, this could be a good buying opportunity. Leading the NFT market, OpenSea is now accepting Ape Coin. Here we go. Ape Coin exists as a decentralized base for those on the driving culture forwarding into the metaverse. There's that big word, the metaverse. Its integration is one of the largest marketplaces in the space, is big and yet another proof point of the strength of our community. ApeCoin's got a gigantic community. Here we go. ApeCoin is now accepted on OpenSeas. Bing, bing, bing. This is big, everybody. OpenSeas is where everybody gets their NFTs. And now the #1 trending coin, ApeCoin, is on OpenSeas. This is going to be a game changer. You know, kind of like Piston Token taking over Drip Network is a game changer. This is a game changer. It says right here to read about the governance process, including how to submit an API as well as how to vote. Go to apecoin.governance. All right, here's another thing before we go over this other part. It's all monkey business. We're going ape, so easy to chimp could do it. Operation Ape Access Path is OTW. Earn those tokens and swap it for ApeCoin. A new character, a new Dustland, M2E adventure, a new way to convert DOS. Here you go, Dustland. And here we go. This is cool too. The first ever to buy a burger with ApeCoin on the chain. What's up, Wally? Just here making history. This gentleman right here bought the first burger with cryptocurrency using ApeCoin. Fantastic. Going over to the website right here. Again, this is the #1 trending coin right now on Coinmarketcap. It happens to be down 24%, and it's still the #1 coin. Ding, ding, ding. Could be a good discount buy. I always like the coin as it goes around here and around. A lot of good stuff going on. Let's talk about it real quick. Ape is a Web3 economy. Culture has found new expression in Web3. Through art, gaming, entertainment, the event, which is possibility for blockchains, impacts on cultures so endless that they can't possibly all be predicted yet. Ape is a token made to support the community. It was well served as a decentralized protocol layer for the community-led initiative that drives culture forward into the, you know it as the metaverse. The metaverse is going to be big, and Ape Coin is right there. The Ape Foundations you can talk about, the DAO you can talk about, the board you can talk about. I love the board because on the board here, they have all of their members of the board in their NFT characters. Pretty neat, everybody. You can click the proposals here on their website. It talks about all the different things they're going over. Pretty awesome website. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Again, the bell icon is important because you can be seeing on your phone, and all of a sudden you see that basically one of the videos come up, something that's hot and heavy. Again, Ape Coin being the #1 trending. So we do appreciate you liking it. We do appreciate you subscribing. We do appreciate you hitting the thanks, all the good stuff that YouTube offers. All right, we're going to go over real quick the Piston Token, the #1 platform, taking over Drip Network. Yeah, Drip's a fantastic program. I love it to death. Its downfall is never hitting its deadlines. Yeah, the investors are getting upset. They keep saying they're going to hit their deadlines. The next deadline that's launched, we all know it ain't going to happen. But Piston actually does what they say they're going to do. The coin is jumping off the chart. All kinds of good things. I'm just going to go over the Piston real quick. Taking over the #1 spot, Piston Token. Let's head over. We can start right here. Take a look what the price has done here. Dun, 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 dun. Now, if you were with Drip, it's doing the opposite. But with Piston, it's doing this. Drip's going down. Piston's going up. It has to probably be a direct correlation of not hitting your deadlines and not doing what you're saying you're going to do. Now, I will give Drip some credit that they made it the 1-year anniversary. I don't know about 2, but it definitely made its 1-year anniversary. Try another 3 or 4 times of saying you're going to do something and not happen. Did you see, everybody, that the coin went down to $25 yesterday with Drip? Yeah, not hitting deadlines. We'll do it. All the YouTubers, including myself, we're all protective of Drip and we say nice things. Now I'm just going to call it as it is. Holding, 1st and 10 is now 1st and 20. Bring the ball back. I know it was a touchdown. We're going to call it as it is. Pistons taking over. Over here, take a look at this. Pistons over $17 a coin right this second. About 3 or 4 weeks ago, people were talking FUD about Piston when it was $7.65. But now it's up to $17. Some people are saying this coin can actually go to $30, $50, and $100. Again, do all your own homework. All my information is for educational purposes only. But get started with Piston, a Binance Smart Chain BSC token built on the best-in-class decentralized technology. Piston was designed to run an ecosystem, earn rewards by depositing your tokens in the Piston Race dashboard. Going over here real quick, looking at the Piston Race. You got your race right here. You hit your nitro. You hit your claim. Yep, I bought some more tokens the other day. I got 210 tokens right there. When you want to swap it, you go to the swap page. You take your BUSD, you swap it for your Piston, and then you go ahead and put it in your race. The big thing right here, we got to go to the bottom of this page. The contract is locked. A state-of-the-art technology is responsible for efficiency, delivering improvements and patching to the DApp needed mid-race. And the proxy smart contracts make it possible. Here we go. We got merchandise coming soon. Now, you see they don't have a deadline that they're posting and they miss it. They just say it's not, they have it undefined. They have a game coming. They don't have a deadline and they miss it. It says undefined. Claimable NFT avatars, they know it's coming, but they don't put a deadline so they can miss it. They're going to actually launch it when they can. All right, NFT marketplace, auto compounding. Now, this auto compounding, I like it and I don't like it. I like it because it sounds easy for people. I know everybody in the Drip Network and over here has asked, can't you just auto compound? Because again, we want to make it easy. I don't like that because you're not involved in your game. I mean, if you're involved, I think it's better. But hey, you know what? They're doing what everybody's looking for. And the big thing right here, Airdrops Casino. Yep, that's right. Airdrop Casino is fantastic. May 22nd right there. Look at that. This is going to be happening in May, and it's red, so it's happening first. And the auto compound is in May, and that's happening. Keep scrolling down. They got their team here. And, I mean, this wasn't here the other day. I mean, you should take a few minutes. You know, this person has 5 years of experience. Bird has 10 years of experience. Author has 9 years of experience. This person has 2 years of experience. You know, this person has 15 years of experience. This person has 5 years of experience. They're talking about with Piston that with the NFTs, when again it says that it's not defined yet, but you're going to be able to buy an NFT car. So you're going to pick your cars, the merchandise. You're going to be able to wear the shirts, all kinds of fun stuff, keeping people involved in the actual Piston race. I do got to give it to Drip. Thank you, Drip, for being around for a year. Just like anything else that's awesome, there's going to be somebody else that comes behind you and makes it better and hits their deadlines. So again, got to give it up to Piston Token, the #1 platform on the internet on those 1%, 1% platforms that you get 1% a day. Oh, and by the way, the owner of Piston Token has his own platform that pays 1.5% a day. It's called My Diamonds Team V2. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. So I was talking the other day about my 4 favorite projects, and I was saying here's my 4 favorite projects. Piston Token definitely is one of my favorite projects. I also like the Drip Network. I also like the BUSDs and the BNB crop farmers. Those are fantastic. Not going to list the Animal Farm and the Piggy Bank. You know why? Because it's paused. Yeah, that's right. I don't even know if it's ever going to launch again. They keep saying they're going to launch it, but nobody knows. But I mean, the deadline will be hit, but it won't ever be hit. So I'm not listing Piggy Bank and Animal Farm. Maybe one day, if it ever launches again, it would be in my top 3 or 4. But Piston Token, Drip Network, and all the different crop farmers are definitely my top 3 projects that we're doing at Frank's Crypto Corner. Let's head back over to the #1 trending coin, Ape Coin, and checking it out, and we'll do a little price prediction. All right, back over here of Ape Coin, #1 trending coin on Coinmarketcap. It's down 24%. I'm going to go bearish. I think it's for some reason, even though it's trending, I'm going to go with the down. It's $16.32. I think this coin will go down to $15 or $14. Now, again, all my information is for educational purposes only. Doesn't make sense. It's down so much, but it's trending. But you know what? I'm going to actually go with the flow. If it's going down, and look at everything else. Red, 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 red. Everything is red. Okay, since everything is red, we're going to go with it. But going to the top, it is the #1 trending coin right now. So since it's #1 trending, we're going to basically talk about it, but I do think it's going to go down a little bit. Now, again, you never can time the perfect of when to buy. If you are going to buy and you're trying to buy the dip, you don't know if it's going to go down 2% more or 5% more. It's a fantastic right now being 24% down, but do all your own homework. All right. Again, thanks for tuning in to this awesome Ape Coin and Piston Token video. Really appreciate you tuning in on a Sunday. Don't forget to hit the like button. Click over here, and I'm going to link my Piston video that we just did yesterday. And click over here, and I'm going to list my BNB crop farmers. All right, everybody, it's Sunday. Have a fantastic day. #1 trending coin, Ape Coin. #1 1% program on the internet, Piston Token. All right, everybody, have a great day.